such a big sleepy boy.
Castroville, the artichoke center of the world. But you know damn well we didn't come here for no artichokes. From Castroville, California, YouTube. It is October 1st, and our next shipment is going to be picked up tomorrow. I'm trying to book a motorcycle or something to go into the bed. We are towing a sailboat trailer from Berkeley, California to Tacoma, Washington. Today I'm taking Nico to the dog park while I place my bids, probably clean the truck, take some notes, and set goals for the upcoming week / 30 days. What's wrong, Nico? Come on, man. Why do you gotta be so social, man? This is our office for the day. There's a horse at the dog park.
Dog man.
I'm leaving the dog park and I'm realizing that it has kind of a sad story behind it, but it's really cool. This place has a skate park, it has a dog park, and it has a mountain bike trail, and it's named after this guy. Stopped up right outside of the pickup for the night. We will be picking up early.